Hello, and in this video, we will tell you how to fix the disk unknown and not initialized error on your Windows computer. We will guide you through the full process step by step, including driver updates and command prompt fixes. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech videos. First, we should check if an outdated driver is causing this external hard drive issue. Right-click on your Windows Start button and select Device Manager from the menu. Once the Device Manager opens, look for the Disk Drive section and expand it to see all your connected drives. If your external hard drive has a yellow alert icon next to it, right-click the drive and select the Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for updated driver software and let Windows install any necessary files. If updating the driver did not work, the next step is to check the disk for errors using the command prompt. Go to your Windows search bar, type CMD, right-click on the command prompt application, and select Run as Administrator. Now, type the command chkdsk, followed by your target drive letter, a colon, /R, and /F. For example, if your error drive is F, you will type chkdskf, :/R/F, and hit Enter to let the system scan and automatically fix the hard drive errors. If your drive is still showing as unknown or unallocated, we can force the hard drive to initialize using the diskpart command. While still in your administrator command prompt, type diskpart and hit Enter. Next, type list disk and hit Enter to display all the connected disks on your computer. Find the specific number of your error disk, which you can also verify in your disk management console. Type select disk followed by that number, such as select disk 1, but be very careful to double-check this number because the next command will permanently erase all data on the selected drive. Once you have the correct disk selected, type clean and hit Enter to completely wipe the drive. Then, type convert GPT and press Enter to properly initialize the partition style. Now, we need to format the disk so you can actually use it, so type create partition primary and hit Enter. Next, type format fs equals ntfs quick and press Enter to format the volume quickly. Finally, type assign and hit Enter so Windows assigns a drive letter to it. Your fixed drive will now open up automatically, and you can simply type exit to close the command prompt console. Since the clean command erased your files, you might be wondering if you can still recover your lost data from the newly formatted disk. You can actually use professional data recovery software like 4DDIG to get those wiped files back. You simply launch the program, select your newly formatted drive, and run a full scan to find your missing files. Once the scan finishes, just select the data you want to restore, click Recover, and safely save your files to a different location on your computer. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.